Hello and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a review on one of my Nerf guns. So as you can see, I have a lot. What I do, I have more. I'm going to be doing a review on the smallest gun I have, which is the Jolt, right here. And I just did some out. I'm just going to show you my cute little puppy. Now I'm going to do a review on it. Look, as you see, it's a pump action gun where you push this down and you pull the trigger right here and you fire. It's a one-shot gun. But it's a bit bad is because if you go like that, sometimes something happens like this. Wait. Alright. Sometimes it falls out. See, it just fell out. So that's the only bad thing about it. But it can go pretty far in distance, as you see. So yeah, it's a pretty good gun. It can shoot far. Doesn't shoot that hard. I'm gonna shoot you guys. How do you like it? Wait, that failed. What? Hey, shoot in your head. Headshot. And this is a real cool gun. I like it. It's cool. It's small, so you can fit it in your pocket. As you see, I have a pocket. You can fit it in your pocket, and no one will ever know. Because you fit in a pocket, just be like, what do you say to me? Boom! As you see, it's very small, not clunky, shoots not that hard. I like it. It's a cool gun, and I think you guys should buy it. So, yeah, it's a good gun. So, yeah. So, bye everyone. Like, comment, subscribe, and that's my tour review on the Jolt Nerf gun. Bye everyone. Have a great time. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye everyone.